Hello, in this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant to work on lock screen on Samsung Galaxy Tab A9. So you have to start with opening your Google application and now click on your avatar and go to settings and now click on Google Assistant and click on Hey Google and voice match option and now click here to enable Hey Google. Now click I agree, next, I agree, and now click on voice model and click on retrain voice model. Okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Now click next, I agree. Now click back again, and now click on lock screen and click yes, I'm in, and make sure that this first option stays on. And now let's check if this works on lock screen. Okay Google. Hey Google. Hey Google. And as you can see, my Google Assistant now works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.